Hi friend, in this video I will show you how you can fix screen flickering and blinking issue in Windows laptop or PC. Let's get started. Method 1. Search for device manager. Press my device manager, click on it. This will open device manager. Now I have find the display adapter, expand it. After that right click on the display adapter and then click on update. Click on search automatically for drivers. This will update or install your display adapter drivers. If already installed and you still facing the problem, then method second, right click on the driver, go to properties. Now here move to driver tab, click on rollback driver. If the device fail after updating a driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. This will roll back the drivers, display drivers. Click on OK. If you still facing the problem, then the last solution is right click on the driver, click on update drivers. This time click on browse my computer for driver, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here you see other versions. Just select any previous version of display drivers and then click on next. Through these page you can fix this screen flickering and issue in Windows. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.